You know what's really interesting about these videos is that everything that happens here during my day is 100% the most raw, transparent, what you see is what you get kind of picture of what goes on every single day behind our business. That's pretty fascinating, especially in the world of social media. It's really easy to kind of filter everything. With these daily vlogs, I don't have the time or the resources or the flexibility to basically put on some fake show or some facade. What you see is what you get. This is us. This is raw. It's me and you. There is a lot of stuff that I don't exactly film. Like, I know this sounds really dull, but a massive part of running this business includes sitting at my laptop, emailing, working on the website, really boring stuff and stuff that I can't really document in an engaging way. So it's not that I'm hiding any of it, but it's just, you're just not really seeing that part. Anyway, one of those little behind the scenes things that you might normally not have known about if it weren't for these vlogs, the video that I made of the number 56 field bag for the giveaway, a big part of it was me sitting at the workbench making one, and then it kind of went into some lifestyle shots and like some hero shots of the product and everything. But what's funny is the bag that I was actually making, I was using some leather that we don't actually offer on our site. So I was really hoping nobody noticed, or I figured it wouldn't ruffle too many feathers. It's not a huge deal. But the bottom line is we already have a big stock made up of buck brown, russet, and vintage brown. And so it wouldn't have made sense for me to make one more. So I used this hide that we've just had sitting around here. I figured it'd be cool just to put it to good use. Here it is. This hide came from Springfield Leather, and I'm gonna put a link down there because they actually have a huge selection of leather. I especially like their selection of oil tan hide. It's just got a really nice color. It has a really good feel to it. It almost feels like it could be vegetable tan. It just feels really quality. I started cutting into this for the video and I'm like, oh man, I like this. I like this a lot. You obviously can't find this on our website, so if anybody wants this, just send me an email or a DM. I'll just write you up an invoice and we'll get this shipped out to you. However, I didn't get to finish the shoulder strap. I'm gonna finish it right now so that this bag's just ready to go out the door. Did anyone even notice I'm not wearing a black t-shirt? Sad. I only have one, so I need to acquire more black t-shirts so that I can accomplish my goal of wearing just a classic plain black t-shirt for the rest of my life. I'll probably go through a few of them in my day. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, then you're like, what is he talking about? All right, let's get this strap made up. Cut to that B-roll sequence. I'm gonna go in and eat dinner with the fam, and then I gotta spend a couple hours working on our camp trailer out there because we wanna go camping. But there are a couple things on our camp trailer that aren't working right, so I gotta go work on it, make sure everything's just tip-top shape for this weekend. All right, let's go. Okay, I feel officially defeated. I got a few things fixed. I put a temporary wheel jack on it because the original one broke. I put a new battery in it, new battery box, got the strap all together, and now the motor that lifts the top doesn't seem to be working. I don't know why. The connection to the battery is good, the switch seems good, but it's not working, so I have to hand crank it up, and it takes about 1,000,000 cranks to get it all the way to the top, and it's hard. Last time we did this, it was like 98 degrees outside, and I was just burning up and just sweating like a monkey. I'm not sure if we take this camping this weekend, we're probably gonna have to hand crank it, and I don't know if I'm willing to do that. The hand crank isn't a normal hand crank that normally comes with these things. It's a little tiny one that somebody had installed after this motor was put in. It's kind of an aftermarket thing. So I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. I gotta go through and check all the connections, see if there's anything that's come loose, any wire nut, anything like that. For the most part, this stuff is way over my head, and I'm not good at diagnostics and figuring this stuff out. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. All right, let's get this. Gosh, dang it. I feel completely defeated. Once I got it up to the top, almost to the top, there was something going on. The support that raises this corner was getting jammed for some reason, but I couldn't see it from where I was cranking. So it just lifted the whole body panel up and just like totally jacked up that whole corner. Ugh. Yeah, I think we're further away from using this thing than I thought. So let's take this in tomorrow, see if we can get some stuff fixed on it. I doubt they'll be able to do it all in one day though, so I don't think we're gonna be camping this weekend. That's all right, life goes on. We'll have plenty of weekends to get this thing out. Let's read some comments, shall we? All right, we had 20 comments on this one. Mrs. Hi Parker, thanks so much for the videos. I watch your videos to get inspired. That's awesome. Thank you, Mrs. Hi. Love your positivity and your editing is amazing from a fellow YouTuber. Right on, man. Thank you. That's from Colin Green. Richard Hartman said, Parker, your videos are just fun to watch and you've inspired me to give leather making a try. That's awesome. This is Brady Linebaugh. This is my cousin. He was actually in a couple of the videos. He said, I seriously wear a plain black tee at least 5 days a week. I bought 5 of them for work, but I usually end up wearing them on the weekends too. Life-changing stuff. And if Brady does it, then you know it's good. You know it's a good way of life. Orlando Simonjuntak, he said, wow, just realized that we hit 21K. Yes, Orlando, I love that. Let me tell you why I love that comment, because he said, I just realized that we hit 21K. That's so cool to me. That means that he really feels like this is a family, like we're all part of this tight community. We're a team. This isn't just me and Whit, this is all of us, all of you. Because if it weren't for you, then we wouldn't have any of this. We wouldn't be doing this at all. So I love that. Thank you so much. Keep the comments rolling. All right, guys, I'm tired. That's it. It's been a good day. Hope you guys had a good day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.